Hey there, scooter enthusiasts. Ever noticed your trusty ride puffing out some strange smoke? Don't panic, that smoke is actually trying to tell you something. Today, we're decoding the smoke signals from your scooter's exhaust. First things first, let's talk colors. The color of the smoke is your first clue. Is it blue, white, or black? Each color indicates a different problem. Let's start with blue smoke. If you see blue smoke, your scooter is likely burning oil. This usually means that oil is getting into the combustion chamber, where it shouldn't be. The most common culprit? Worn piston rings. These rings seal the piston against the cylinder walls, preventing oil from seeping up. As they wear down, oil can sneak past, get burned, and exit as that telltale blue smoke. Other possible causes include worn valve seals or a faulty oil control valve. All these issues will lead to a decrease in engine performance, and even potential damage if left unaddressed. Next up, we have white smoke. Now, white smoke isn't always a cause for concern. A little bit of white smoke, especially on a cold day, can just be condensation burning off. However, if the white smoke is thick and persistent, it could mean something more serious. Your scooter is burning coolant. This is often caused by a blown head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, or a cracked engine block. Coolant in the combustion chamber can cause overheating and can damage your engine. If you see white smoke and notice a sweet smell, a drop in coolant levels, or overheating, get it checked out by a mechanic immediately. Ignoring this can lead to major engine repairs. Finally, let's talk about black smoke. Black smoke means your engine is running too rich. This means it's getting too much fuel and not enough air. It's like trying to light a fire with too much gasoline. This can be caused by a few things. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, leading to a rich mixture. A faulty carburetor or fuel injector might be dumping too much fuel into the engine. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor could also be the problem, as it can't correctly measure the exhaust gases. Running rich can lead to poor fuel economy, reduced performance, and even damage to your catalytic converter. So, back to our scooter. We're seeing blue smoke. Based on our smoke signal decoding, we suspect worn piston rings. Time to get this checked out by a mechanic. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your scooter running smoothly and avoiding these smoke signal emergencies. Stay safe, keep riding, and keep your eyes on the exhaust. See you next time.